Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Ford F-150. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Side curtain airbags provide rollover protection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.